How to fix invisible cursor in Roblox. This is super simple, so let's dive right into the video. If your mouse is invisible in Roblox, here's how you can fix it. First, open the search bar on your computer and type add or remove programs. Once it's open, search for Roblox in the list of installed programs. And make sure to uninstall everything Roblox related from your system. Next, go to the official Roblox website to download the installer. Once it's downloaded, locate the Roblox player installer file in your download folder. Right click on it and select run as administrator. This ensures that Roblox installs properly with the necessary permissions. Once the installation is complete, launch Roblox and your mouse shall now be invisible again. And here we go. I hope this fixes the invisible mouse issue for you. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.